Hi, first grade scientist. Okay, today we're going to kick off our plant unit. So I kind of have a lot for you to do today. If you want to break it up into 2 days, because I kind of have two science experiments to get started, we're not going to finish them today. It's not like force and motion, but you can start one today and one tomorrow. The first thing I need you to do is your life cycle worksheet. So we've got the stages down here, and then you're going to cut them out and put which one happens first. Let's take a look at that. Just like Moby did in the video on the previous page, Moby started with the seeds in the pot, didn't he, with the soil. All right, so put those in order. Take a picture of it so we can see you did your work today. And then it is time to dig in your brown paper bag again for some more science experiment stuff. All right, today you need the little clear baggie. Now there are two baggies in here. One has some noodles. This one has some beans and some seeds. Those are marigold seeds. They're a beautiful flower that is easy to grow. It's the only flower I've actually had success growing from a cup in my house. So that's why you get marigolds. All right, and then you need a clear cup. This is going to be what we're going to plant our seeds in. Now, if you have good soil at your house and your parents don't mind, ask your parents first, because my parents used to get mad at me when I dug holes in their yard. You can go get some soil from your yard. Maybe you have a garden. Maybe your parents would let you use some soil from the garden. Or I always get some soil from the store for my garden. So I've got some in the back of my car. So you can use whatever kind of soil you want. I will tell you, if your soil kind of looks red, it will not grow very well. So find some soil that's dark brown. And you can plant those seeds. They go 1/4 inch deep. So find those. They're long and black. They've got a little white on the end. I can't get mine out. It's stuck. Okay. So put your soil in there, stick your finger down, just make a little poke in the top, put that on, cover it up, and then what do you need? We haven't really talked about this yet, have we? We need water. Don't put a ton in. We don't want your seed to float away. Just put a little sprinkle of water, maybe put some on your fingers and just sprinkle it around. And sunlight. So make sure you put it somewhere where it can get sunlight. And then we'll have to wait because that takes 2 weeks, so we may be done talking about plants before you see anything growing. But I do have a faster experiment for you here. And you need the bag, so you can dump the stuff out of there. And you need a wet paper towel. I've got a brown paper towel from school, and I got it wet. And I'm going to stick it in here. Oh, it's just a little too big, isn't it? I'll fold it over. And I'm going to stick one of the beans, the brown beans, inside here. And then zip it up. And then you can leave it like this. You can leave it out on the counter, but I really like to tape it to the window. So I'm gonna tape this one to the window, and you can just use Scotch tape for this. All right, now this is not gonna grow up to be a big plant, but you will see some stuff changing. Hopefully by the end of the week. You'll be able to tell me about roots and shoots. All right, first grade. Take pictures of whichever ones you do. Remember, you do not have to do your planting your seed and your bean in a bag. You don't have to do both these today. You can break them up into 2 days, but take a picture of whichever one you do today and post it on this page. All right, little scientists, go do your work.